What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Pope back at it again with another daily pack challenge. On today's episode, we have Super Electric Breaker. Top chases for this set are the Look Back at It Pikachu EX, Melodic EX, or the Gold Pikachu. Top chases for me, Hydreigon EX, the Look Back at It Pikachu, or the Magneton. We got 3 packs today. We're going to rip and see what we can get. For that, Look Back at It Pikachu. See if we can pull it out of these 3 packs. Nothing. Pack number 2. It's a cute Togepi. Last pack magic. Thanks for watching. Comment down below what card you're chasing from this set. And don't forget to subscribe for your next daily pack challenge. Peace.